Okay guys, yesterday was bonfire night, and me and my friend and his family were out yesterday and we went to Cookham Road to see the fireworks and the bonfire, so check it out!
So now they need to beat New Zealand next weekend, don't they? New Zealand comfortably beat Wales today 36-0, which we anticipated. What about that England-New Zealand game at Hull next weekend?
Yeah, it's got to be a month.
Walk with us. No. Walk with us through London town.
We're in Cookham.
Okay, walk with us through Cookham Road. It'd be just great. There is
What are you saying?
No, yeah, there is a cat. Yeah. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but pointing down to my feet.
Well, I can't see that.
I guess anything. Some cars over there. A house. This isn't a torch. I'm recording.
Oh, you're recording?
Yeah. I'm stepping in water. How come? I can't even see. Okay.
Publicity shot.
Okay. Really bad camera angles here.
Oh, it's pointing at your feet.
Okay. Right. Your feet. My feet. Okay. Yeah. There were so many cars passing us.
That's outtakes.
Yeah. Outtake. There's a car. Get the license plate. There it is.
You can blur out.
Another car. Look, there's another car. And here's his feet. Here's my feet. Look, there's another car. How many cars are passing us? Still walking. And look, if you can see, there's a car down there. Stop waving. There's a car. There's some cars going down. There's a huge lake. That's where we walked last time.
You can't see jack shit behind us.
Yeah, you can't see anything, can you? Yeah, but no, there's a few lights you can see, so that's good. We're going to be arriving at our destination soon.
5 minutes.
I'll see you there. You guys were getting there quite soon, and we just had to cross a big bridge, wibbly wobbly, and I'm scared beyond belief. I'm scared beyond belief, guys. I'm sorry you can't see anything, but you are going to see the fireworks quite soon. Guys, now you can. Okay, now you guys can see everything. It's massive. People in yellow shirts and everything. There's everywhere. There's a car there.
Thank you for being patient.
We're going through this sign here. Ticket holders, non-ticket holders. A couple of people in yellow suits.
So we're the non-ticket holders.
Yes, we're the non-ticket holders. We're on the right-hand side here. A couple of people. Another guy dressed in yellow. Some other yellow people.
Personal fireworks ban.
Yep. Damn. Oh well.
There goes my plan.
Well, we're getting to the destination soon, so yeah, that's gonna take a while. Yeah, guys, I ventured through the field. I don't know if you can see this, but the people with glow. Shut up. The people with glow sticks and glow balls. Yeah, bonfires over there. People throwing up glow sticks, glow balls.
We're not going to film the bonfire.
We're still walking in the trail. Yeah, we're gonna film the bonfire. So many people, so little space.
Well, what's it?
I don't know. We're still going. So yeah. Stop it. Okay, well, there are a bunch of kids with these kind of.
Just like spin round, because otherwise it just looks a bit weird.
Yeah, there's a bunch of these kids. Fucking.
I'm going to edit out my voice because I'm not going to.
Well, there's a bunch of kids with these glow sticky things.
Can't see jack shit though.
All
you can see is the glow sticks.
You know, some of my people who are subscribed to me can't really hear you swear, and I don't know how to bleep this. So
it's seriously cool though, because you can see all the light, and we can see them plainly.
Yeah.
But people watching this video can only see the glow sticks.
Yeah. Well, I can see it. Well, you guys can't see it, but there's a huge mountain where there's going to be set.
Eyes are better than cameras.
Can I talk? Well, there's a huge mountain that's going to be set on fire, and it's going to be massive. But all that heat from the radiation is going to probably burn us. So yeah, stay tuned. Guys, it's about to start. I don't know if you can see it. The torches are here. The people are carrying the torches as we speak. Let's keep walking a bit forward.
They look like they're going to thrash someone like that.
Come on, I want to get this on camera. Look at the torches, guys. Guys, look at the torches. Look at the torches. Come on. Guys, this is a massive night for people here in Cookham. This is a massive night. Keep going. Oh, they're going to light it.
front and get back on him.
Inside you, we'll get a better look at it.
No, because I can see all I want to see is the torch.
Because if you go around the back, there's just people over there.
I'm not going in the back.
That's what I'm saying is there's less people at the back, so if we go at the back, we'll get a better view.
Oh, fine. Sorted. It's like a Christmas fire. Okay, so let me get this straight. They have 4 torches and they lit it on 4 places, yeah?
Yeah, they put cardboard in a specific place.
I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's going to be blazing soon.
See, keep on there, that looks good.
The funny thing is I'm getting a...
Oh my god, a ghost!
No, I'm getting a glow of a circle. Yeah, that looks like a ghost, isn't it? That is cool.
Yeah, you should write that.
And I'm going to write that as an annotation, guys. Read the intensiveness.
Yeah, see, that's all the screaming.
You can hear people screaming. How does that song go again? Burn, baby, burn. You can see the smoke, yes.
This is what's happening to your own smoke.
Yeah, this is what's happening to... Okay, copy now.
Oh, look, there's no one round that side. Okay.
Yeah, very.
This is why our ozone layer is...
Oh.
Look at so much smoke. Okay, guys, I'm gonna pause the video, and this is just gonna be...
Call you back when things get more interesting.
Yeah, we'll call you back when things get more interesting. It's more intense, more fire. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like a little chair right there. It's a chair. So we're covering our mouths, obviously. We don't want to inhale the smoke. So what do you think about this bonfire night? In translation, that means it's not so bad. Oh, can you guys say that? 200 degrees, that's why they call me Mr. Fahrenheit. I'm burning up the bonfire night. I wanna make a supersonic night out of you. Yeah, that's my parody. I really like that, yeah?
Yep, it was rubbish.
Oh god, cloud of smoke coming away.
Favourites if you agree with me, how
Guys, so much smoke, so much smoke.
Now I know why everyone goes down that side.
That was awesome. It was like inhaling marijuana.
How do you know that's right?
Guys, I'm going to pause the video. Again, another things are going to be more interesting soon. Oh, hey, there's like a massive iron rig there, obviously. Okay, we're going to pause the video. Look at the quick. Rip chair. At the intensifier, people. I know, the chair's still there. Look at the intensifier, people. Look, the fire is burning everywhere. The ashes are going up in the sky. So many people here today. A lot. This is so freaking intense. Look at the fireworks.
This is the calm.
I missed it.
You got the end of it though. Don't know where the hell it is. At the end.
Hope you guys had fun with that, and comment below how you spent your bonfire night yesterday. And remember, with great power comes great responsibility. I'll see you guys later. Bye.